Hi, everyone.
Bonjour.
Hi, friends.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, friends.
MUSE Virtual is exceptional because we believe in teaching through student passions.
What I love most about being a teacher at MUSE Virtual is to work directly with them one-on-one to grow beyond their academic comfort zones.
MUSE Virtual is unlike any other school platform because we take the time to build real connections with our students.
Each student is valued for their unique perspective and what they add to what we're doing.
We integrate mindfulness, passion, social emotional learning, self-reflection, communication, along with the other traditional contents of science, math, and humanities.
What I have found to be the most incredible part is being able to make connections even just through the computers.
We are a portal for students, teachers, and families to utilize and sustain genuine, healthy connections regardless of physical location.
Attending school online allows students more freedom and flexibility to actually spend the best hours of their day pursuing those passions and doing their schoolwork during a more flexible schedule.
We're able to have one-on-one interactions. They're able to interact with their friends and be part of a large group setting. And I really think that connectedness, it's such an important part of their social and emotional development.
Every morning, day in and day out, getting to see their smiling faces, they're eager, they're ready to see their friends and their peers and ready to learn.